What's your biggest dream in life, and why aren't you doing anything about it? As I learned more about psychology, business, and life in general, I figured out that the biggest thing that holds us back is fear. Whether that's fear of failure, fear of standing out, fear just paralyzes us. It stops us from grasping our dreams, from trying to reach our dreams, and it holds us back. It really keeps us trapped in the rat race, which is, just doing what everybody else has told you and what everybody else is doing. The common sayings like, get a job, a safe job, don't take any risk. It just breeds this comfort and complacency, ultimately, where we don't ever reach for, our passions and what we wanted to, like we did when we were children. When we were children, we didn't care about, all these responsibilities, societal pressures, like all the complex things that we think about today that try to hold us back. We just played, we just explored. We were confident in ourselves, and we just wanted to learn more about the world. We wanted to learn what we liked, and we chased that. We did the things that we loved, but, as life goes on and we become more risk averse, we want to play it safe, we kind of kill our dreams and our passions, and we just settle for less than we could have or that we want. So here's my proposal. Today, start implementing this phrase in your life, and you'll start to see results. Start more, think less. Or do more, think less. So in anything that you do, you can learn extensively about any subject, that you want to start, whether it be, how to be a filmmaker, how to start a business, how to be a writer, whatever it is. You can learn about all the advanced stuff, but if you never take that initial step, because in anything there's one step that gets you started, and that's just starting and doing. So if you want to be a writer, write. If you want to be a filmmaker, turn on the camera. If you want to box, go hit a punching bag or something. If you don't take that initial step, you're never going to be able to build that foundation to work your way up to the advanced stuff that you're learning. You're just going to be thinking about it all the time, and before you know it, it's going to be 10 years has gone by, and your passion and your dreams fading. And you let that failure, that fear of, I'm not good enough, or else I would already started. Like, it's just that cyclical nature of fear that, breeds that paralyzation in your life. So if you want to get ahead in life, if you want to overcome all the obstacles, the things that you don't think's possible, I promise you, if you just go in with the mindset that you can do it, that's where it all starts. You have to think in your mind, I can do it. Whatever I set my mind to, I can do it. And then just do it. You're going to learn, you're going to fail, and that's okay, because every failure in life is a chance to learn and grow. And you're going to be better off if you fail and grow and learn and become better, than if you just think about it and never do. You're going to always look back in life with that regret of, I wanted to do my passion project. I wanted to build that business. I wanted to change the world. But here I am at 60 and I never did, because I was too scared of what might happen or what might not happen. So that's my advice. That's something that I'm trying to implement more in my life. I want to be a doer, not just a thinker that never takes action. So take action, take a hold of your life, and do something that you're going to be proud of and that's going to improve you each and every day. I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Let me know what you think about this. If you agree or disagree, I look forward to hearing what you have to say in the comments. I'll see you next Monday, all right? Get better each day.